You might also like to turn your hands out slightly, as leaning into the wall requires a lot of wrist extension. A slight turnout will offer more range and less pain for a lot of people. You want to keep your arms straight during the entire movement. I find twisting the hands into the floor towards the pinky fingers helps to create shoulder external rotation and lock the elbows. The distance between your hands and your feet will also depend on your pike mobility. The better your pike, the closer the hands and feet will be. From here, straighten your legs and lift your hips as high as you can. At the same time, lean your shoulder blades against the wall. I recommend tucking your chin so the back of your head is also touching the wall. As you lean into the wall, the hips will move to be vertically stacked above the hands. When the hips are stacked, you'll be able to lift your feet off the floor and slowly place one vertebra at a time on the wall to roll up into a straddle handstand. As your feet lift off the floor, you must focus on contracting your quads and pointing your toes to keep your legs as straight as possible. Once you've hit the straddle handstand, continue to draw a nice big circle with the legs until you bring the feet together. At the top of the press, open the shoulder angle and push your head forward. This movement helps to build strength in the shoulders that will carry over to the press handstand. Now, reverse the movement. Keeping the arms straight, slowly lean the shoulders back to the wall. Once the shoulders are on the wall, flatten your lower back so you can feel the lumbar spine pushing into the wall. A posterior pelvic tilt, PPT, is key here. Keeping the legs straight, draw a nice big circle as you bring the legs down to the straddle. Keep pushing into the floor as hard as you can to maintain straight arms and to keep the shoulders elevated. From the straddle handstand, slowly start to peel your spine off the wall vertebra by vertebra, while using your core compression strength to close the angle between your thighs and your torso as you move your feet towards your hands. How close can you get your feet to your hands? And how softly can you touch your feet to the floor? Slow and deliberate movements are the key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel.